gonna sit down there, watch out. Sit down.
Nào tới thì luôn là cái cho á cái chuyện gì đó chấm gì cho còn tàu nó lấy tua xì cái sai
이거 운동하려고 내가 써. 그러면
câu
운동하려고 시작하는 거.
cái này cọc
이거
mẹ nở nó một cái tuổi nó là biết có nó kể dòng rồi ha phải là cũng tao lúc cũng đó nó có chuyện đó
이렇게 사는
cái chữ con nữa à mình biết xin chưa cái này cho tôi cần tao tôi nóng câu xin nha cái này có chốt ra không thấy cái gì cũng như cái còn là chị này lúc cùng nó chế nên tối nó cắt thả lâu lâu hà
This is probably the best thing I've seen in 2 years. I know. Let's give ourselves a round of applause for back in person. Awesome. So I will make no assumptions that you know who I am. I am Jocelyn Sims and I am the principal here and I'm super excited to be able to welcome you tonight to our band and orchestra concert. Mr. Hanlon is a blessing to our school. The things that he has done over the course of the 3 years that we've been in existence is just amazing. Even when it was distance learning, he put some really awesome concerts together. So this is going to be great. Students in the back, so intermediate and advanced and orchestra, my message to you, we got to show the best of who we are because your family members are here now. So in the back, we are silent, all right? We also are live streaming tonight, still accommodating for those who couldn't make it today. But with nothing else, I'm going to turn it over to Mr. Hanlon.
Good evening, everybody. I'm so excited that we finally get to do an in-person concert. What a 2 years it's been. This is going to be our first group, which is the beginning band, 6th grade. They've been playing for about 7 months now, and I am just so impressed with what they've been able to do in those 7 months. So our theme for tonight is Adventure On. All of our songs, or most of the songs, have to do with adventure, fantasy, and I think you'll enjoy the show. So let's give it up for beginning band.
Hello, my name is Layla, and after this group, we're going to be doing a play, or maybe playing Dragonfire by Paul Lavender. This song portrays a mystical dragon in battle as it sprays its fire all over its enemies. We hope you enjoy it as much as we do.
With the talented musicians in our band, the result will be nothing